And a scintillating air display by various aircraft remains the hallmark of Air Force Day Parade come Investiture Ceremony. Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartaman led MiG formation and flew MiG Bison aircraft as well. The IAF showcased its Chinook transport and Apache attack helicopters for the first time since they were acquired from the US in the last few months. Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadauria said that the Indian Air Force is on the path to rapid modernization through crucial acquisitions like Rafale jets and S-400 missile systems. He added that there is a need to concentrate on indigenization.
What an immaculate formation and what a proud moment to share with all of you. And pervasiveness that the Indian Air Force the enemy ground installations using air-to-ground missiles and bombs. What's the wingman?
इतले मजगती पहिले राफाल झुजारी विमान भारतान ताब्यात घेतले. रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंगान फ्रांसात राफालाची शस्त्रपूजा केली. 36तल्या पहिल्या 3 युद्ध सज्ज राफालांचो ताफो मे 2020 भारतात दाखल जातलो. पुराय 36चो ताफो सप्टेंबर 2022 म्हणल्यार पावतलो. फ्रांसाचे दसो कंपनीकडे 2015 हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट करपी आदलो सर्गेस्त रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.